Hi there. Okay, today is a little bit different compared to the others videos because today is the most exciting day for me because I got to get one of my important wish list along the 2019 this year's, and I believe that every one of you have the target you need to achieve, that you listed for the early of the years. And yes, today is I got the thing that I really want, and I'm excited to receive it today. There is about a couple of days to the next year's 2020s, and I'm very blessed, bersyukur, because I got to get these things before the end of the years. Okay, do you excited to know what the things are? Oh no, what the thing is? Okay, before that I want to apologize to you because if you can detect that there is a lot of noise around my surroundings because there's heavy rain outside of my house. So yes, I want to show you the thing that really makes me excited. I have able to get it before the end of this year. So yeah, it's a little bit heavy. So can you guess it? Maybe you can see the title of my videos. But this is it. Finally, I got the main wish list of the years of 2019. The sewing machine that I have read, and I have really want to get this. Yeah, Singer sewing machine, guys. This is the heavy duty one. The gray color, and the Singer is if you can see, the 4432 numbers. And yes, let's open it. I want to open it with you. I will open the seal. I bought it at Shopee. Quite an affordable price. Usually for the noise surrounding. It's heavy rain outside. And I bought yesterday. Only one day to get it. I really appreciate, I really love the shop customer service that attend me, answer all my questions before I bought this sewing machine. They wrap it very nicely, and I use the JNT Courier. I like the JNT Courier around my house because they are very nice. Send the courier on time and didn't have any issues for me until today. Before this, I'm a little bit confused because I want to buy the sewing machine I like pink color. So there's a Singer sewing machine pink color, the 3323 R code. But after thinking a little bit more, I decided to add up a little bit money to buy the heavy duty one. because my target is to use it for the long term. So I will show you the description around the box. Okay, I have already opened it. So this, I get the warranty card, and then the bag, and then the manual. So this is inside the box. So also have the CD for this model, and I will unboxing it. And it have the serial number. It's from Malaysia. The warranty is from Malaysia, from Singer Malaysia. And then this is okay. It has it has header. Look at that box, and it has handle. Yeah, like a normal sewing machine. This is the extension. It has 3 pins. Three-pin extension. I want to the material is the outside is plastic, but I have researched that the inside is the metal. So I want to show you the box, and the box is stated the automatic either 3D top drop bobbin with clear view cover. It means that it use the plastic bobbin. And then this is the free accessories, and this is the place that we can put the accessories. The one fully stacked button hole, the heavy duty metal frame with the stainless steel back plate, extra high sewing speed. It states that it has the 1100 stitches per minute, and it has the 32 built in the stitches. This is the dot fit for the free motion sewing, and this is the six basic stitches, the zigzag, the straight stitches, and the 7 stretch stitches, and this is the 18 decorative stitches, and the one fully automatic one step button hole. Okay, I believe this is the part of the accessories insert. Yes, this is the accessories. It has the basic needles, the plastic bobbins, and I'm not sure the others, but I think this is for the button hole. has the it still has the plastic, and it has the shanks. I think this is low shanks. They have the adapter on it to put the food. Put the food. Okay. Really want to use this machine right now, but there's a heavy rain outside with the lightning, and I'm afraid to switch on the electrical things. So for this video I will end that here, and thank you for watching and share with me, and thank you for watching my